In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to take a screenshot on a Chromebook. Let's get started. If you want to take a full screenshot on a Chromebook, simply press the Control key and the Show All Windows button at the same time. The Show All Windows key usually looks like a rectangle with two lines next to it and is located on the top row on your keyboard. As soon as you press those buttons together, your Chromebook will instantly take a screenshot and automatically save it to your downloads folder. To find your screenshots, open the launcher, then go to the Files app and open the downloads folder. You'll see all the captured screenshots there. Now, if you only want to capture a specific part of your screen, there's another shortcut for that. Press Ctrl plus Save plus Show All Windows together. When you do this, your mouse pointer will change into crosshairs. Simply click and drag to select the area you want to capture. Once you are done selecting the area, release the mouse or press enter and your Chromebook will save the screenshot automatically to your downloads folder. And that's it. This is how you can easily take a screenshot on Chromebook. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.